बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा.
Okay, the next thing we'll try to see one more example with a B class. In the B class, I'm using 4000 host requirement. Now, which means as per this requirement, as per the 2 power table, we have to take 2 to the power of 12. So 2 to the power of 12 is going to be 4096. And in that 2 addresses, we cannot use the first and the last. So the total valid host addresses. So this is nothing but your valid host addresses will be 4024 because 2 we need to subtract for network ID and the broadcast ID. Now based on this, now the next thing, if you try to figure out the subnet mask, by default in B class we have 2 network portions and 2 host portions, which means by default there are 16 network bits and 16 host bits. So it means out of 16 I don't need all the 16, because if I use all the 16 then it will be 65,536 range 2 power 16. So we just need only 12. So which means I'm going to subtract the 12, which means the 4 bits need to get converted. So which means I'm going to convert these 4 bits as a network, and the remaining 12 I'm just leaving as it is as a host. So the same thing we are calculating here. Required host bits are 12 and the converted bits will be 4, and the total becomes 20, because by default there are 16 here plus 4 will be added here. So it's going to be 20 network bits. Now based on this subnet mask, if you write 255, this is all ones, 255, 255. And if you add 4 bits means it's going to be 240.0 will be the subnet mask again. So for this range or the requirement, we have to use the subnet mask of 255, 255, 240.0. And the next thing, again the same, how many valid host addresses? Total 4096. In that we have to subtract 2. So the valid addresses will be 4094. And how many subnets we get? Subnets you have to calculate based on the converted bits. So 2 to the power of 4, 16 subnets. So which means if I divide 4000 networks basically into if I go with 4000 requirement out of 65,536, exactly I get 16 subnets, which means 4000 into 16, it's going to be 65,536. So I get around 16 subnets, and each subnet will be the size of 4096 addresses. Now finally, writing the range is always written based on the 2 power of h value. So the h value is 12 here, so which means the size of the network is 4096, 2 power 12. So the first address starts with 0.0, and the next address, if you want to write, we generally use the formula. What is the formula I discussed? 2 to the power of h minus divided by 256. So just divide with 256. So it's going to be in 1000 we get 4, in 4000 4 4 16. So already we calculated this. The range is means 16 multiples of 16, which means this is going to be 0.0, 16.0, 32.0, 48.0. So like that, you just need to write down that 16 table or 16 multiples. So which means this will end on 15.255, and this will end on 31.255, and this is going to end on 47.255, and this is going to end on, I think here you get 64, so this is going to be 63.255. So you just need to go on right like that. You need to write 16 subnets, and the last range will be 240.0 to 255.255. So this will be the range. So if I go on right like this, the same thing, each block we get 256 addresses, the same calculation, so multiples of this one. So this is how the range comes. So in this, again, the first address is your network ID, the last address is your broadcast ID. If I'm using this subnet mask, and whatever the addresses in between means 0.1 to 15.254, all these addresses are can be used as a valid host IP addresses.